Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox outfits and sell them. To begin, you'll need to open Roblox Studio and familiarize yourself with the clothing design interface. Remember that shirts and pants require specific image dimensions, typically 585 by 559 pixels for shirts and 585 by 559 pixels for pants. You can use free image editing software like GIMP or Photopea to create your initial designs and templates. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth creation process. Once you're comfortable with the tools, it's time to unleash your creativity. Focus on crafting unique textures, patterns, and graphics that will make your outfits stand out. Always ensure your designs strictly adhere to Roblox's community guidelines to avoid any moderation issues. Before finalizing, upload your creation to a test avatar within Roblox Studio. This allows you to check the fit, appearance, and overall quality, ensuring it looks fantastic on various body types. With your amazing outfit ready, the next step is uploading and setting your price. Navigate to the Create section on the Roblox website and upload your shirt or pants template. You'll then set a price, which typically ranges from 5 to 1,000 Robux, depending on complexity and demand. Remember, Roblox takes a percentage, but you'll earn Robux from every sale. Also, understand the premium payout system, which rewards creators based on engagement from premium subscribers. To maximize your sales, effective marketing is key. Share your creations on social media platforms like X or TikTok and join relevant Roblox groups to showcase your designs. Regularly update your store with fresh, trendy outfits to keep players engaged and returning. Most importantly, interact with your community. Listen to their feedback and suggestions. This continuous engagement and improvement will help you build a loyal customer base and achieve greater success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.